Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have any of the following three vehicles, Chrysler 200, Fiat 500 or Dodge Promaster City guys with a 2.4 Multiair engine, and you have a code for oxygen sensor or you need to replace your upstream oxygen sensor, this is known also as WAMDA sensor or sensor 1. This guy's sensor is upstream, is the one before the catalytic converter. Stay with us, we will show you how to replace that one now. If you need to replace the downstream, we have the video as well. Now if you need to buy a new sensor, you can guys find the link in the description of the video below and see where we get our parts from for a good price and fast shipping. You do not have to remove the engine out of the car. Why we have the engine? Because we have more than 100 videos on that engine alone guys, and we want to show you with a great detail how to fix almost anything on it. Otherwise it's impossible guys. So we put all that work guys to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's go explain what needs to be done now to replace your oxygen sensor. Now I would recommend to do that only on cold engine. Let it sit for at least 10 hours before you guys after you drove it, because that oxygen sensor could be really hot. You can severely burn yourself and damage damage your skin guys. This is like thousands degrees here reaching guys. So now looking at the engine, when you open the hood of your vehicle, it doesn't matter which vehicle you have, all of them use that engine guys. You come down, this is your exhaust manifold that says do not touch. This sensor right here, it's known as upstream oxygen sensor or oxygen sensor 1. The one right here is known as downstream oxygen sensor or sensor 2 guys. This is the one after the catalytic converter. This one pretty much detects if the catalytic converter is doing its job and it's cleaning the air. The one before the catalytic converter is the one that tells the engine if it needs more air, more fuel, so it can adjust all that. Now how you guys remove those things? Let me show you how to remove and replace the upstream oxygen sensor now. You will guys follow the wire, right here, and on the back side of the black wire, right there is a thing that you press in and you pull out and you disconnect it. After you guys disconnect it, there is a special socket that we use to remove the oxygen sensor. This is guys the socket. You can find the link again in the description of the video below. That socket is super strong, it's very handy and easy for oxygen sensors, otherwise you can severely damage them and you may not be even able to remove them after you damage them. Get on top of the sensor, really good, make sure it aligns, get a ratchet, and so let's go ahead, get it out now. It might be stuck guys, it might be stuck quite a bit. So you might need to get bigger ratchet, or breaker bar, and once you get it loose, you can just go ahead and turn that thing, by hand guys. You can see, you just go ahead and turn it and pull it out. We have the link in the description of the video below guys to see where you can buy replacement one. Putting it together guys practically is in reverse order. We took it apart, make sure you get it tight. The new sensors usually will come with pre-treated anti-seize on the thread, so that way they will not get stuck next time you need to remove it. So thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.